Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Umakolite. It's SK.
Yeah, SK Lona from Lydenburg representing Mashishing Prince. So yeah, bafethu. Namhlanje nanibonile lento ukuthi ihambe njani. Siqedile game.
Yeah.
Ama players wafuna convert ama chance. Siyema 21-on-1.
Yeah.
Ngibonile wenzeni bafethu.
Yeah.
Nanga understand.
Yeah.
I-team yethu enhlaki isahlanga-hlangene uyabona. U-coach naye enhlaki imqakile namhlanje but second half ngibonile sibuyile kahle sibambile labantu bebadefenda badlala low block and they claim that bona they are the biggest team in Africa but mina ngiboni lento yabo.
Yeah, enjoy.
Yeah, mina ngiboni. Yeah, just that nje currently Orlando Pirates is the best team.
Is the best?
Yeah, it's the best in Africa.
Is the best?
It's proven.
Is the best?
Sibuye Simo iligi yethu.
Yeah.
Laba abanye abamani bahleli lapha ka number 3 orina shayile indaba yabo. Umlilo nyana wa 2 minutes Thibo. You understand? So Thibo lento so yongibamba ngesandla next year come May.
Yeah.
Ngizoba nginawe.
Ngiyakubamba.
Ngiyibamba la second le bheka bayeskodini labantu second le. Ngibamba ngesandla. Man of the match mina for mina ngayigaya uSiyema. Yeah, idlalile intwana Mbokazi namuhlanje ngazi ukuthi bekahambani ngaye Mbokazi manje namhlanje ngidisappointile but ngwana sesi uyibambile apolice ngibonile nayo yavela.
Yeah.
Steve ngibambe second round.
Yeah.
Uyibhalele umakolite lona ngiyambona mamela makolite pheka
awonisa amakhristo
Mashishing Prince sibonge let's favor Sundowns
awuzwa
yajamba manje yajamba